Welcome, YouTube aficionados and armchair economists. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of recessions, the American empire's supposed end, and why our buddy Robert Kiyosaki, the mastermind behind Rich Dad Poor Dad, is bullish on gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Grab your popcorn because this ride is about to get bumpy and funny. The recession, bigger than big. Picture this, a recession so colossal it makes King Kong look like a tiny monkey. Yep, folks. We're talking about the kind of economic downturn that could make you consider using monopoly money as legal tender. Now, before you start panic buying canned beans and toilet paper, let's consider the age-old adage, more millionaires are made in recessions. So, is there a silver lining? Pun absolutely intended? You bet your bottom dollar there is. The Kiyosaki Gold Rush. Our story begins in 1964 when a young Kiyosaki started noticing something fishy about his coins. They had copper around them. Fast forward to 1972, and he's behind enemy lines in Vietnam, hunting for gold like Indiana Jones with a pilot's license. Imagine the confusion on his face when he realized he had no idea what gold looked like. Classic, real money, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Kiyosaki's golden and silver and Bitcoin rule is simple. Real money isn't printed by governments. It's dug up from the ground or mined digitally. According to Kiyosaki, the US dollar is like a balloon in a room full of needles constantly at risk of popping. He believes gold, silver, and Bitcoin are the sturdy safes that can protect your wealth from the impending balloon explosion. The great debate, gold versus Bitcoin. The age-old question, which is better, gold or Bitcoin? Imagine Kiyosaki sitting back, laughing at the endless debates. To him, it's simple. How many ounces of gold or silver do you have? How many Bitcoins are in your digital wallet? Arguing about which is better when you have none is like debating whether unicorns are faster than dragons. Pointless and a little bit ridiculous. Why gold and silver? Gold and silver have been around longer than your grandma's secret cookie recipe. They're cherished for their beauty, durability, and industrial applications. The earth only has so much gold and silver to give, which makes these metals valuable. On the other hand, the Federal Reserve can keep printing dollars like there's no tomorrow, weakening their value with each new bill. It's like trying to win a game of Monopoly with a printer under the table. Bitcoin. The new kid on the block. Chain. Bitcoin, the digital gold, is limited to 21 million coins. No more, no less. Its decentralized nature means no government can suddenly decide to create more Bitcoins just because they felt like it. It's like a digital vault that only you have the keys to. Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy is betting billions on Bitcoin, while Kiyosaki is happy with his 60 coins, looking at Saylor like, "Hey, slow down there, buddy." The dollar dilemma. Our good old US dollar, or as Kiyosaki likes to call it, fake money, is on shaky ground. The government's habit of printing more dollars to pay off debts is like trying to dig yourself out of a hole with a spoon. Each new dollar printed is a step closer to inflation, where your money buys less and less. Imagine buying a coffee today for $5 and in 2 years that same coffee costs $100. Ouch! China's strategic shift. China, the global heavyweight, is moving away from US treasuries and stocking up on gold and silver. It's like watching your frugal friend ditch their savings account for a treasure chest. This move signals a lack of confidence in the US dollar and a flight to safety in precious metals. If China's doing it, maybe we should take a hint. Right? Silver. The underdog. Silver is like the underestimated underdog in a sports movie ready to surprise everyone. Its recent breakout above key resistance levels indicates a potential bull run. With its industrial uses and status as a precious metal, silver could be the MVP of your investment portfolio. Imagine doubling your investment while everyone else is still debating whether to buy Bitcoin or stock up on canned beans. The signs are clear. The US dollar's dominance might be waning, and the allure of solid assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin is growing stronger. Now is the time to make strategic choices and pivot away from the increasingly vulnerable dollar. Secure your wealth with precious metals and cryptocurrencies, and laugh in the face of economic downturns. So fellow YouTubers, the next time someone asks you whether gold, silver, or Bitcoin is better, just smile and show them your stash. Because while they're busy debating, you're busy stacking up real wealth. Stay savvy, stay golden, and keep laughing all the way to the digital bank.